Good morning, guys. It's raining outside. Ay! You're crying. Don't cry, you see? They will see you if you cry. We're doing video, anak. Okay? Hmm? Come on, say hi to them. Hi. Hello. Hello, subscribers. It's raining, guys. It's raining outside. And I am feel unwell again. So, we're staying here in our home. What to do? Baby Renz, come here, baby. Come on. See, oh, mommy, oh. Mommy's doing video. Come here. Come on. It's here, lying in our house. We don't have any room here, so this space is our room, right, baby? So hope guys will support us. So because you know we are starting to earn from our YouTube channel, so we are starting monetization there. So if you support us, definitely you will watch our videos. So when you watch our videos, it will add money or earnings to us for us. So guys, please support us. Thank you so much in advance. God bless and stay safe, guys. Always be safe, because you know now still have the pandemic. So if there's no urgent to go outside, then no need, huh? Don't go outside. Just stay in your home. Then always wash your hands before eating or before doing anything, or when you're from outside, then don't forget to wash your hands, okay? Wash your hands, or take a bath first before you sleep, especially when you have babies, because you know babies are the immune system of our babies is still weak, so we need to take care of them, okay guys? Don't forget that. Thank you, and once again, please subscribe and click the notification bell, so every time we upload new videos, you will be updated. Thank you, and God bless. Bye bye.